Honda Civic airbag.
We don't have a Honda Civic here.
No, and also,
Okay,
beside
also,
that,
what time is it right
beside this, the bumper for the Lamborghini for the Mr. Halishi. The car, the bumper in the back has damaged the wrap. So I don't know if you wanna tell the Sergio fix it,
yes.
or we're gonna leave it like that how it is.
What kind of stupid question is that?
I don't know. You're gonna wrap again? No, don't throw it. Don't throw it. Don't throw it. Don't. Here.
These are metal BBs and a straw. That's all you need. It's the greatest invention of all time. It's not strong enough to really hurt you, but it's strong enough to really annoy you. So don't do this at home. Hey. Oh!
Thank you so much.
Ow.
So guys, Vic's is ordering my wheels.
Never. Hold on, let me go check your likes on the video real
gonna be
fast.
shiny
It's
black?
expired today anyway, so I'm just gonna make sure that we didn't get 50,000, which you didn't.
Let me see.
You got only 37,000 likes, so sorry man. No payment plan.
Okay.
You want your wheels, you gotta pay for it up
Okay,
front.
no problem. Can I get a shiny black lip and 24s?
You could pay first,
Sure.
and then we can talk about it.
The customer's waiting on his change?
Yeah.
He starts talking about his wheels.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I'll just get you back.
Thank you guys so much.
Pero le quito este viejo. Viejo. Pero le quito esto.
No le quites nada, lo voy a hacer Ricardo, no le entiende.
Usted es el máster.
¿Ah? Usted es el mazo, ¿qué le preguntas?
No me hacen caso.
Jálele las
En
orejas.
ellos, es que ellos es diferente.
Jálele las orejas.
le quite nada. Mañana a las 8.
Ya,
El
mañana a
lit
las
de
8.
par.
No tiene opción, mañana a las 8 aquí.
Ey, la colita no, viejo.
Mucho graso, qué ve. Y ron. 47,000 likes. That's never we never had something like that in videos. 37,000. That was crazy.
Sarkis, I have to beg you to be on YouTube videos. How come you're so into it?
Because he wants his
Oh, yeah.
wheels. So how are you going to end up getting your wheels then?
I have a cosigner, so he's gonna cosign me.
Who?
I cannot tell the name.
It's Moses.
No. You know that person, and you're too close to that person.
Look, my father is not gonna get you with.
Who is that?
I know everything, man. We are in the black Badge Cullinan.
This one inside is the new BMW color.
BMWs have orange now?
Yes, this is the new color. It comes only on the M5s.
Wow.
I never seen.
Are you sure it's not like a brownish orange?
No, it's the same one.
Okay, that's nice. So this car was completely white on the outside. Most of the black Badge Cullinans with orange interior are white on the outside. We've done, I don't know how many so far. We just did one like 2 weeks ago. We have another one coming exactly the same. So it's always this configuration, so he wanted to change it. We took everything apart. We took all the doors off. We wrapped everything this beautiful color. It's like a brownish charcoal. We've never done this wrap before.
Yeah, I never
car.
seen it before.
It's gloss. So this car looks like a
it's
paint
shine.
job. It's shiny.
There's
It
like
looks
a
like a
pearl
paint job.
too. There's a pearl too on it.
Yeah, there's
Something
metallic.
new.
Yep. So
Usually these color people, they do like matte black, matte silver, matte white.
he didn't know what to choose. He was leaning towards satin black.
Yeah.
I advised against it because we do so many in satin black, and with this orange interior, I thought we need to pick something cool, and this charcoal metallic brown goes perfectly with the orange.
It's one of the best SUVs out there.
It's huge. I would honestly, this would be my other choice than a yours, but it's really big.
But this thing, you have to have a driver.
No, you don't.
I don't know. It's a different level. Like you sit in the back, enjoy.
No, this is the ultimate luxury SUV. So.
But this one has a fridge, correct?
No, I don't think it does. Everybody has the fridge, they don't use it. So I don't know about the fridge.
To be honest.
It has the bench seat. It doesn't have the captain seats, which is also good for families.
Yeah.
This car has RDB 22s, we call them. They're 24-inch. One of the best choices for this car, other than RDB wheels.
Let me ask you, if it fits on this car, it will fit on my car too.
No,
correct?
it will not fit on your car. BMW released a statement that said X6Ms, we advise against getting wheels. So, sorry, man.
Interesting. The watch cap is black.
Look, they're not going to black out all the chrome. Chrome is still luxury. All luxury cars have some type of chrome on it. So, it's normal. This girl's pissed behind us right now. I mean, I don't understand. I'm going 35 speed limit. Yeah. And she's going crazy, switching lanes left and right. Tell everybody to subscribe to the YouTube channel, Sarkis.
Oh, yeah. But are you going to get me the wheels?
No. So 54% of our viewers are not subscribed to the channel.
So, okay, you have to explain what is subscribe and why.
I think our car channel is probably the only one that doesn't do clickbait, doesn't have bullshit, it's real. I think we deserve at least 1 million subscribers. We should already have that.
Is there a way we can just only people who have to watch it, they have to just
No. You can't do that. That's YouTube. You can't do that. But we could urge them, to subscribe. It'll help us out. To like the videos, that will also help us out. It'll, motivate us further to make awesome videos.
Yeah, that's true.
And you get happy every time too, so.
Okay, but
everybody wants to make you happy. That's for sure.
Yeah, but I don't have my wheels to be happy.
Well,
and I don't have ice cream.
If they make you happy enough, maybe you'll have wheels.
Alright, guys. So subscribe from now on, and just you can mention my name. So it's because of Sarkis. So.
Yeah, if we get 1 million subscribers, you'll have wheels for sure. We're the most consistent. We put out 2 videos a week, and it always has at least one feature car, so it's crazy.
So, okay, let me ask you, if we want to make a show, like to be on like a television, so other people from other countries can look. How's
YouTube is worldwide, so they could still do that. The TV show thing is a whole different ballgame. We get a lot of offers, but it has to be the right one and the right network and all that stuff. So we're always in talks, but we have something in the works right now, but we're not sure, so we'll see.
Okay, guys, so the best thing is you guys have to subscribe on the bottom. So just mention our name, me, Vic.
You don't have to mention anything. They just have to subscribe and like
so
the videos.
So you don't have to put a name or anything?
No, it's very easy to subscribe.
Okay. I will ask our cameraman to show how's it gonna be subscribed, because to be honest, I don't even know. And there is people that don't even know.
Are you subscribed to our channel, Sarkis?
I don't even have a YouTube. So he was gonna open up for me, so he never did.
Okay.
That way we can just make more videos for you guys, so you guys can be happy.
Why is Luis inside the filming van?
Why don't you come with me?
You not even see me when I get in.
No, I saw you get in. You knocked on the window. You're like, "Hey, let me in."
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I do that?
What are you doing to help this situation that we're in?
Nothing. I just get in.
You just sat in the car?
Uh-huh.
I like your company, so you're good.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Everybody complains about the Cullinan stock. It drives like a boat. It's very floaty, all that stuff. When you lower it, when you put 24s or even 26s, everybody says it drives better. It's more responsive. It's less floaty, and everybody loves it. So we've never had a complaint
about that.
So
the guys who has a Cullinan, now you guys know what to do. You guys can just put a wheels, and it's gonna be better, right?
Wow, we have cars here too. That's crazy.
Too many cars.
We need a bigger shop.
Yeah.
If somebody knows about a shop for sale in LA, let us know.
Sure. So we want to extend the shop.
Yeah, we want a bigger shop. We want indoors. We want to go hard next time.
Okay. So if there's locations,
there's locations. There's an investor that wants to go hard with us. Even we might be open to that now.
Okay.
The car has factory red brake calipers, so that's the only thing right now that we're thinking about. We're thinking about obviously either making it black or actually doing an orange color match. Let us know what you guys think, because we're gonna listen to you guys. We're gonna pick either black calipers or we're gonna do orange calipers based off of you guys. This color goes very, very well on the Cullinan. I'm so happy we chose it. That's why we do what we do. We turn phenomenal cars into more phenomenal cars. So let us know what you guys think.
Hey, you know how I know that Vic wanted these wheels done? Because I pay attention to what he says. I overheard him telling Ovo to do it. And I said, I'm going to do it for my boss.
That's a good employee, Sarkis.